Hey, Ben. Big Ben.
Big Ben.
Say, this is handsome Ben. And he loves his Papa George. Whoa. And he wants to play with me too, as you can see.
Oh, my
He's
goodness.
like, who's that lady behind the camera, huh? Say, who's that lady behind the camera?
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
Come here.
You hard on there.
I want everybody
You
to
dropped
see
your
how
pocket knife.
I want to see how I want everybody to see how handsome you are, Ben, because Ben's looking for a forever home. Now, he's a little hyper, of course, because he just got brought out, but he's a good boy. Look at these kisses. Oh, my goodness. How sweet is that? Like, hey, you're somebody new here at the ranch, huh? See, I haven't seen you yet. Does that mean I get to play with somebody else, huh? Ooh, you a handsome boy. We got to find you a home. Yeah? Oh, you're such a good boy. Man, you're going to have to go for a walk later and talk, huh?
Oh, he walks a lot.
Yeah.
Well,
Say
with George
yeah.
walking.
Say yeah. Say, let them see you. Get up. Get up so they can see you what a handsome boy you are. Huh?
All right.
Huh?
But
Careful, because
behave
he'll get up
now.
on his...
Good boy. Good boy.
You behave now.
Say no. Up means play, huh? Means play. You smelling it. Oh. Good boy. Look at that face. Look at that handsome boy. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say, my name's Ben, and I'm at Coco's Pet Ranch looking for a forever home. I am. Oh, what a handsome boy you are. Right?
He's so loving. Are you a loving boy?
Say, you a loving boy. Say, hey, come back here. Say, come back here and love me, huh?
Boy.
Pretty boy. Ben.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Ben. Say kisses.
No, his
Say-
kisses are gonna... Not until after he has his walk, he can kiss.
Okay, he's gonna go for a walk now, guys. That's why he's so excited. Maybe we should have taken the video afterwards. All right, say bye, Ben. Have a fun time walking with George.
All right.
See ya.
Let's go.